FT Automation is a family-operated daughter company dedicated to serving the modern industrial needs from smart control systems, home and office automation, security, and everything in between. Our team has been active in this industry for over 2 decades and delivers smart embedded technology solutions in a highly competitive environment. We are active in designing real-life solutions by integrating modern electronic technology and intelligent microcontroller chips that delivers effective interaction with human and the environment.
Intelligent electronic systems from concept to production is our theme. We have done it all, from A to Z. We are anxious to serve you. At FT Automation, there is no alternative to success. Let us do the work for you.
FT Automation latest innovative solution is the introduction of Android-operated garage or controller. FT Automation have designed highly secure app that allows you to control your garage and change password at any time. The high security feature makes it impossible for the unauthorized individuals to control your garage. It also allows multiple users to control the garage from the same app.